Welcome to Bike Shift. Today's breakdown is all about the new 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters, a motorcycle that promises to redefine the 125 cubic centimeters commuter segment with its upgraded features, improved performance, and a fresh design philosophy. This model enters 2026 with an aim to deliver better mileage, smarter technology, and a more premium riding feel. The 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters arrives with a sharper and more dynamic look. The body panels are more sculpted, and the motorcycle now carries a modern street fighter stance. The tank shrouds are redesigned for better aerodynamics, while the LED headlamp setup gives it a futuristic identity. The tail section is sleeker, featuring a stylish LED signature that enhances road presence. Overall, the design blends practicality with a sporty attitude. At the heart of this new model lies a refined 125 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine, tuned for smoother power delivery and higher fuel efficiency. The engine offers improved torque for quicker acceleration in city traffic, making daily commuting more effortless. Bajaj has worked on engine vibration reduction, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable ride. The 5-speed gearbox provides crisp shifting, giving the motorcycle a balanced performance profile suitable for both city rides and short highway runs. The 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters steps up its technology game. It features a fully digital instrument cluster offering real-time mileage, distance to empty, gear position, and Bluetooth connectivity for notifications. The bike supports turn-by-turn navigation through a dedicated app integration. Additional upgrades include LED lighting all around, automatic headlight control, and a new eco-performance riding mode to maximize fuel savings. Designed for urban comfort, the motorcycle gets an improved seat cushion and a well-balanced suspension setup. The telescopic front forks and preload adjustable rear shocks ensure stability on uneven city roads. The bike feels light and responsive, with its refined chassis offering confident cornering and easy maneuverability in traffic. Its ergonomic riding triangle strikes the perfect balance between sporty and commuter-friendly. Safety takes a step ahead with single-channel ABS, front disc brakes, and enhanced brake bite for shorter stopping distance. The tires have been upgraded to better road grip, making wet weather riding safer. Bajaj has also added hazard indicators for emergency situations. The 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters is engineered for exceptional mileage, targeting impressive fuel economy figures that will appeal to daily riders. With a more efficient engine and lighter components, it promises lower running costs. The spacious underseat storage and USB charging port add everyday convenience. With all these improvements, the 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters is expected to enter the market at a highly competitive price point. It aims to deliver a perfect package for students, office commuters, and riders seeking a blend of performance, economy, and style. This was a detailed look at the new 2026 Bajaj 125 cubic centimeters. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates, reviews, and upcoming vehicle breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and ride safe.